In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your ChatGPT chats with Claude. By the end, you'll know the simplest way to move a prompt from ChatGPT into Claude so you can pick up right where you left off. We're keeping this quick, clear, and practical with a few tips to make the handoff smooth and consistent. Start by opening ChatGPT and navigating to the conversation that contains the prompt you want to move. Take a moment to decide exactly what you want to export. In most cases, you'll copy the original prompt you wrote, but you can also include any clarifying text you want Claude to see. Highlight the text carefully so you don't miss key context. If you prefer shortcuts, use Command-C on a Mac or Control+C on Windows to copy. Before leaving this page, do a quick scan to ensure there's no sensitive information in what you've selected. If there is, remove or anonymize it so you're not sharing private details when you paste it elsewhere. Next, head over to Claude in your browser. Make sure you're signed in so you can start a new conversation right away. Once the Claude interface loads, look for the plus icon that opens a fresh chat. This is typically positioned near the conversation list or next to the compose area. Clicking the plus gives you a clean slate, which helps keep your transferred prompts separate and easy to track. If you work with many prompts, creating a new chat for each one will make it faster to revisit and compare results later. With your new chat open, click into the message box and paste what you copied from ChatGPT. Use Command+V on a Mac or Control+V on Windows. If your prompt includes multiple sections, keep line breaks for readability. Using Shift-Enter while drafting helps maintain structure before you send. Consider adding a brief one-line note at the top to orient Claude, such as a short title or context sentence. That isn't required, but it can improve clarity when you return to this thread in the future. Large prompts generally paste fine, but if you notice odd formatting, remove extra spacing or special characters before sending. When you're satisfied with how it looks, you're ready to continue the conversation in Claude using the exact prompt you exported. That's the entire workflow. Copy your prompt from ChatGPT, open Claude, start a new chat with the plus icon, and paste it in. Keep your text clean, clear, and privacy safe, and you'll get consistent, high-quality results across both tools.